Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit profile on Bigo Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Bigo Live application. Now click on your profile in the bottom right corner. Here tap on profile icon in the top right corner. Now click on the edit icon in the top right corner. And here you can see the information section. Here you can fill in the information that are empty, such as hometown, languages, emojis, etc. Similarly, you can also add some photos. In order to do so, click on the plus sign icon. Now you can choose one from your gallery or take an instant photo. After you've selected a photo, click on the Done option in the bottom right corner. Now, whenever someone checks your profile, he or she will be able to see the changes that you've just made. So that is how you can edit your profile on Bigo Live application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.